Hi, I'm Hannah Kelly. This is February 21st, 2020, and this is the cow eye dissection. So first, when it's all together like this, you have the cornea and the iris is this right covering, and then the pupil, and then back here is the optic nerve. When you open it, right here, you have the retina, which is this right here. You can see this right here is the retina. Behind it, this blue right here is the choroid, and then all around is the sclera. In here is the aqueous humor, and this is also the posterior cavity, and here is the anterior cavity. In here you have the lens, which is covering right here. I couldn't quite get it off, but here's the lens, and that's about it. In here you can see the aqueous humor. It's like this gel-like sac in here. And then surrounding it is the vitreous humor. Let's see all of that. Then the optic nerve, and then just all fat and some adipose tissue surrounding the eye. And that's